Today we are going to start a chapter, Short Monsoon Diary. We will be reading reading this chapter. I will be explaining you side by side. This chapter is very much interesting. But before explaining this chapter, I just want to ask you the exact meaning of diary according to your perspective, according to your viewpoint. What do you think? What is diary? Okay, Akul, you tell me. Okay, he is saying storing personal experiences. Record of our personal experience. Writing experience of our personal day-to-day activities. Yes, way of expressing feelings and record. Okay. So in this chapter, we will be reading about a short monsoon diary written by author. So let's start with the chapter. Open your books at page number 113. But in my book it is. So a short monsoon diary is a description of author about his experience. What do you mean by monsoon? So rainy season. So something weird, something strange, something different happens in his lives. That's why he gets a chance to write down, to jot down his experience in the form of a personal diary. Okay. So are you inquisitive to know that what does he write down in his diary? So as we will go through the chapter, we will come to know about author, that which kind of activities does he come across and why he is supposed to write down all about short monsoon diary. We will be reading each and every line. I will be explaining you side by side. So before understanding this chapter, keep this thing in your mind that diary is basically a personal experience. What you come across day to day, or what you come across something special, or any experience you have, you can write down in your diary, and so that you can jot down what are you feeling. Okay. So there is one of the diary that is very much famous. That is the diary of Anne Frank. Okay. Anne Frank, that was published just like a book, because in that book she has written about her activities, about her experience, and it became just like a book. Okay. So in this chapter, a short monsoon diary, basically this chapter is an extract. It is an extract from Ruskin Bond's diary. Ruskin Bond is a very famous writer, okay, in which he has portrayed very nicely the natural things, okay, the life's joys, the life's sorrows, on which thing he was regretting, which thing he enjoyed. So whatever it was his day-to-day experiences, he has jotted down all the things in the piece on the piece of a paper in the form of a diary entry, and this extract is taken from his book. So who is the author of Short Monsoon Diary? Ruskin Bond. This chapter is basically is an extract. Okay, and don't forget the name of the writer, Ruskin Bond. And I really love to read Ruskin Bond text. And you will also love to read it. You will definitely enjoy reading Ruskin Bond. It is one of my favorite writer, and even you will go through different kind of stories of Ruskin Bond. I will be referring you some of the books of Ruskin Bond in your free time during your holidays. You can get it issued from library, and there is one of the reading literary mission that is started by CBSE also. You can log in that website, and you can read plenty of text from there. From there also you can go through Ruskin Bond stories in your free time. So I will be sending you link also in your English group. Okay. So let's start reading June 24. So on June 24, what happened in the life of Ruskin Bond? Let's be very much curious to know. So Harman, you start reading. Afterwards, I will be telling you.
June 24, the first day of monsoon mist, and it's strange how all the birds fall silent as the mist comes climbing up the hill. Perhaps that's what makes the mist so melancholy. Not only does it conceal the hills, it blankets them in silence too. Only an hour ago, the trees were ringing with bird song, and now the forest is deathly still as though it were midnight. Though the mist Biju is
Through the
calling,
mist.
through the mist, Biju is calling to his sister. I can hear him running about on the hillside, but I cannot see him.
See how beautifully these lines are written. I really enjoyed reading these lines. See, diary entry is a piece of writing skill. It is in your syllabus also. And when I was discussing diary entry with you last time in PTA2, I told you that it is your personal voice. Whenever you write down a diary, don't think that second person is going to read. You are sharing your experience. You are jotting down your feelings, your experience. So here Ruskin Bond, see how beautifully he has explained the first day of monsoon mist. Monsoon, it means rainy season. It is going, rainy season is going on. And it is very strange that all the birds are so silent. Why the birds are looking so silent? Because mist is just like a fog. So fog is climbing up the hill, okay? And that's why mist is becoming so melancholy. What is the meaning of melancholy? Yes. Melancholy means very sad. You can say gloomy. So such kind of scene when there is a complete silence, okay? And in that silence, mist is seeming so melancholy, so sad, and that's why does it conceal the hills? Conceal. What is the meaning of conceal? Conceal means to hide. See, mist is going up, and that's why hills are not visible. Why so? It seems that there is a blanket of mist on the hills. That's why hills are completely hidden. Hills are not visible at all because of mist, and it is seeming that it is just like a blanket. It is covering all the hills, and that's why these beautiful hills are hidden, okay? And what happened? That's why there is a complete silence. But here the writer is saying only 1 hour ago. 1 hour ago, what was going on? Trees were ringing. What is the meaning of trees were ringing? It means trees were making sounds. Okay. And which kind of sounds they were making? Bird songs. It means so many birds were sitting on trees and they were making they were making sound because birds were singing on the trees and they were chirping. Because of that, it was seeming that there was a noise just 1 hour ago. But within 1 hour, because a mist has come, mist is going upwards and it has covered all the hills, and now there is a pin drop silence. And now what was that? Now the forest is deathly still as though it were midnight. So what time of day is that? It was midnight, and the forest is just like a deathly still. It means it seems that no activity is going on in the forest. Not even a single bird, not even a single animal. They are moving here and there. Okay. And during this mist, when there is a pin drop silence, no bird is seen, no animal is seen, even a jungle, there is a pin drop silence. During that time, there is one of the character, The name of the character is Biju. The name of the character is Biju. Biju is bird. Bird song, as some bird is singing. So during through that mist, Birju is falling to his sister, and here I, who is I? I is the narrator of the chapter, and who is the narrator of the chapter? Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, who is the narrator of the chapter, he says that he can hear the sound of Biju, okay, and he can hear that he was running about on the hillside, but he was not able to see him. So this was the activity seen by Ruskin Bond on June 24. He witnessed that scene and he jotted down his experience in the form of diary on a piece of paper. Okay, so this was the activity which was going in the surrounding of Ruskin Bond on June 24. Am I clear? Shall I proceed further? Now experience of June 25 is given here. Now Ishan, you read June 25.
June 25. Some genuine early monsoon day, warm and humid and not that cold, high altitude. Stuff we have been having all year. The plants seem to know it too, and it first programming. Rearing heads from the month as I walk up to the bank and post up. The mist affords a certain privacy. A schoolboy asked me to describe the hill station and valley in one sentence, and all I could say was a paradise that might have.
See how beautifully these concluding lines are written. So let's go through the diary of June 25, in which he has written some genuine. Genuine means real. Genuine means real. That there is some real early monsoon rain. Why it is genuine? Because it is raining. Okay, and not that actual genuine means it is actually raining. Sometimes it seems that fog is falling down, mist is falling down, dew drops are there, and it seems that it is drizzling. It seems that it is drizzling. But here genuine word is written there. It means actually it was raining early morning. It was early monsoon rain. Early morning it was raining and it was warm. It was humid, you can say. There was moisture in that, and it was that cold high altitude stuff. It means whatever the rain, which was raindrops which were coming down, it was just which kind of stuff was that, which kind of water was that it was coming from upwards, from high altitude. Altitude means height. Okay, and such kind of rain they were having for the whole year. The plants at that time was, you can say, seem to know it was. It means plants was also becoming habitual to have such kind of rain, because such kind of rain was falling for whole of the year. And there was first cobra lily rears its head. It is a name of a plant. You can see it into the picture. It is a name of a plant. See how black, black, you can say, part of a plant is coming out, and it seems that the first cobra lily, it was rearing its head from the fern. Fern is a flowerless plant with feathery greeny leaves. It is a plant which is flowerless. It has no flower, and one of the black part, it is seeming just like a cobra. It was coming out of that, and it was seeming just like a cobra, and the narrator gets a chance to notice this when he was walking to the bank and post office. On the way, he gets the chance to look at this kind of plant, because earlier these plants were flowerless. It was not having any flower, but because of the change in season, because of the rain, what kind of part was coming from that plant? Just like a black part, it was seeming like a cobra. So its name is cobra lily. Okay. So when one of the school boy, he was asking me to describe the hill station, okay, and valley in one sentence, because Ruskin Bond, he was, you can say, a very nice writer. So when one of the school boy asked Ruskin Bond to describe hill station, to describe hills in single sentence, so what was the dialect which was spoken by Ruskin Bond? It was a paradise that might have been. So how beautifully he has depicted, you can say, railway station and, sorry, hill station and valley. So hill station and valley, why they were described just like a paradise? Because it was full of natural beauty. It was completely covered with mist. Beautiful flowers were there. So it was not less than like a paradise. Paradise is just like a heaven. Another name for paradise is heaven. Paradise means heaven. So it was just like a heaven. So in this way, when he was supposed to describe it using a single line, so he spoke a paradise that might have been. Okay. Now June 27.
June 27. The rains have arrived, and the arrival of some seasonal visitors, a leopard, and several thousand leeches. Yesterday afternoon, the leopard lifted a dog from near the servants' quarter below the school. In the evening, it attacked one of Bichu's cows, but fled at the approach of Bichu's mother, who came screaming with French hands.
Imprecations.
As for the leeches, I shall soon get used to a little bloodletting every day. Other new arrivals are the scarlet minivets. The females are white, fitting silently among the leaves like brilliant jewels. No matter how
Jewels. Jewels.
no matter how windy the tree, these brightly colored birds can't conceal themselves. Although, while remaining absolutely silent, they sometimes would try to go unnoticed. Along comes a pair of bronco, unnecessarily aggressive, chasing the minibet away.
Now in this passage in the diary of June 27, so many difficult words are given. So it's better that you go through all these word meanings, because if you know the meanings only, then you will be able to understand the text. So I'm going to go a little bit slow so that each and every line of this diary should be clear in your mind. So now listen carefully. The rains have heralded the arrival of some seasonal visitors. See, now monsoon has started, rainy season has set in, and the rains have heralded. Heralded means announced. See, because the monsoon season has started, because of the monsoon season, there is the announcement, or there is, you can say, news of something different. What that? Some insects, some new creatures, some animals, they were about to be seen in jungles. Which are they? See, arrivals of some of the seasonal visitors like leopard, several thousand lychees. Okay. Huh? Yes. So all these animals can be seen. And now here Ruskin Bond, famous writer, he is writing that what happened yesterday afternoon, one of the leopard, he lifted a dog from the near servant's quarter below the school. It means one of the leopard, he killed one of the dog, and such kind of activity was being noticed And in the evening, what was the activity of leopard? It attacked one of the cow. Okay, but that cow, but after that, leopard was fled and approach of the Biju's mother, who came screaming imprecations. Screaming means she was shouting, but that animal was fled away. Why so? Because Biju's mother, she started screaming, she started shouting imprecations. Imprecation means curses, because she was about to curse that animal, because that animal was going to kill that innocent cow, and earlier it has killed a dog. So that's why when Biju's mother created hue and cry, she was shouting. So in this way, the life of that poor animal was saved. Okay. So as for the lychees, I shall soon get used to a little bloodletting every day. But now here Ruskin is saying that if I talk about lychees, so I should become habitual of that, because lychees are known for blood sucking. They suck blood of human beings. Okay. So other new arrivals, what other creature, what other new birds or animals or flower plants can be seen? The first is minivet. Minivet is a bird which seems like a cuckoo bird. Minivet is a bird which seems like a cuckoo bird. Okay. So how beautifully this passage is written. Now minivet will be seen, birds will be seen, and these birds are red birds, and the female birds are of which color? Yellow color, and they sit among the leaves like a brilliant jewels. That these beautiful birds look so beautiful because they are of blood yellow color. They are of blood red color. They are found of yellow color, very vibrant colors. So when they are found sitting among trees, among green color, so they look as some jewels are sitting over there. Some jewels are hanged on the trees. So they look so beautifully with their vibrant colors. No matter how leafy the trees, it means the tree is having abundance of leaves, no matter. But these colored birds, they cannot conceal themselves. Conceal themselves means? Yes, they cannot hide themselves. It means whether, no matter the trees are full of green leaves, but when these red color and yellow color creatures, birds would be sitting among them, so they would be visible from a very far distance also. So they would be looking very beautiful. Okay. And this scene is beautifully described. And these birds are so silent birds that you cannot sometimes contrive to go unnoticed. It means you cannot stop yourself to go from there and you do not notice them, because whosoever is passing by those trees, definitely those person would be you can say noticing those beautiful creatures sitting among those green leafy trees, and they look so beautiful. And after that, there is another drongo bird. Drongo is also a very beautiful bird, and it is famous for its singing. Okay, unnecessarily aggressive, chasing the minivet away. So, but these birds are found different in nature. What is their nature? That they are aggressive. Why they are so aggressive? Because they keep on chasing another birds. Which birds? Minivet. Okay. So these dongro, they will be chasing minivet and they are little bit aggressive. Clear? Afterwards, you read a tree creeper.
A tree creeper moves rapidly up the trunk of the oak tree, snapping up insects all the way. Now that the rains are there is no chance of food for that insect.
Okay. So here description of tree bird is given. The tree creeper that is also moving so rapidly. Okay, and it is found on the trunk of the oak tree, and it is snapping up. Snapping up means just like catching up. So that insect is catching all the other insect. That bird is also catching other insects. Now it is raining, it is drizzling, and there is no dearth of food for the insectivorous bird. What are insectivorous birds? The birds which feed themselves by eating insects. Insects are food for them. Without eating insects, they can't survive. So it is a rainy season. They have to search their food because they are completely dependent on these insects. Okay. Now all of you start finding comprehension part. First and second question. All of you find out. Comprehension. Find out first answer. All of you find out first answer. Hurry up. Why is the author not able to see Biju? Very beautifully, Akul has described that because of the mist, because the mist is concealing everything. Okay, and in other perspective, what do you think? Why was?
Because it was a midnight and the author was can hear it, but we don't see the
Yes, very good point. Your name is? Raghav has given that it is a time of midnight in complete darkness. He was not able to see Biju, but he was able to hear his voice. Very nice. So there could be two reasons. One reason was told by Akul because of the mist, and another reason told by Raghav because of the midnight darkness. No, but it is, depends on your common sense. Because if you go through comprehension, only then you'll be able to understand the text. But in between, in MCQs also it can be asked. Don't. Bache karne, in not in fair, you have to solve. Because during your exam, any question can be asked. From that text, it's better that if you go through the text very, very carefully. लिख के देना पड़ेगा मुझे. What are the two ways in which the hills appear to change when the mist comes up? When the mist fog was going up, what kind of changes you can see in hills? You have to describe only hills. All of you write down 2 lines on hills appearance.
When the mist came, there are some changes that appear in the hills. As when the mist came, everyone became silent. Sometime below, above the trees.
I'm talking about hills only.
Conceal and
Hills are concealed, hidden. They are seeming as they are covered themselves with blanket of mist. Yes. From online class, any child wants to reply? Now the bell has gone. We will continue this chapter tomorrow.